Hi, friends. I am back to share with you another lesson about what we talked about yesterday. We're starting a new unit. And yesterday, we talked about one strategy good readers use, and that is visualizing. Visualizing means playing a picture in your mind, playing a movie in your mind as you listen to the words of a book. You allow the words to show you an image in your mind. And we practice this by drawing different images that came to our mind as I gave you a word. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read a story to you if you give a mouse a brownie. And I'm going to have you draw what you see in your mind as you read. And the first time we read through the book, I am not going to show you the pictures. I want you to listen to the words and think about what you see. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is grab a piece of paper. And we're going to fold it like we did for last lesson. So I'm going to fold it in half and then fold it again into fourths. I actually am using the paper that I had from yesterday. And then I'm going to just use the back. And then we are going to draw 4 different times. So I'm going to number my paper in the squares. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to come down here, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I want you to remember that we use this visualization strategy, making a picture in our minds, in order to better understand the books we read. This is a great strategy good readers do. I'm going to share my screen and show you our anchor chart again. So good readers visualize. They say, I'm picturing, in my mind I see, and my mental image is. Remember, friends, mental image means an image in your brain, in your mind. I'm picturing, in my mind I see, my mental image. And remember, this picture shows a kid with a mental image of the zoo in their mind. Remember also, friends, good readers visualize. They use their eyes, their ears, their sense of touch, their sense of taste, their sense of smell, and other details in order to play a movie in their head, to visualize, to find a mental image. Today, we are going to make sure we tap to these senses. You may hear about some different food or some different activities you do at home that may help you think about what to draw, and you can think about what it tastes like or what it smells like or how it feels or what it looks like. Okay, friends, I'm now going to share. If you give a mouse a brownie, and the first read through of this, I am not going to show the pictures. The second read through, I will show the pictures. If you give a mouse a brownie, written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a mouse a brownie, remember, have your paper, your pencil, and your colored pencils or colored crayons ready, because I'm going to ask you to stop and draw. that image that's in your mind. If you give a mouse a brownie, he's going to ask for some ice cream to go with it. When you give him the ice cream, he'll ask you for a spoon. He'll start drumming on the table. Drumming will get him so excited, he'll want to start a band. Okay, friends, pause the video and think about what is playing in your mind right now. Use the words to think about what is playing in your mind and draw that on your rectangle, your space for number 1. I'm going to go ahead and draw as well. Pause the video so that you have time to draw. And right now you can do a quick sketch and come back and use your colors, or if you have time, you can color as well. Okay, unpause the video when you're ready. We're going to keep on going. You'll have to play guitar. He'll want to put on a show. Then you'll need some spotlights and a microphone. So you'll have to build a stage. When the stage is finished, he'll want to make lots of tickets. You'll have to find paper and markers. When the tickets are done, he'll decide to make posters as well. Okay, friends, pause again. What is the picture in your mind? Remember, you can close your eyes. What is the picture in your mind? And then draw that on number 2. Unpause the video when you are ready to move on. Okay, so we have 1 and 2 done. We have 2 more. Great readers, good readers use visualization to help them understand books. He'll hang them all over the neighborhood. When he's out hanging them, it might start to rain. He'll fold some posters and make a little boat. Then he'll sail it in a puddle. He'll get so wet, he'll start to sneeze. You'll have to put him in your pocket to stay nice and warm. When he peeks out of your pocket, he'll smell something delicious. The smell will remind him that he's hungry. Okay, friends, pause on number 3. What are you picturing in your mind? Okay, unpause the video when you're ready. That's on number 3. You'll have to take him to the store and get a few things to nibble on. Of course, he'll want to have a picnic. When the sun comes out, you'll have to take him to the park. While you're setting up the picnic, he'll see a playground. He'll jump on the swings. He'll go as high as he can. When he looks up in the sky, he might notice a big white cloud. The cloud will remind him of ice cream. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him some ice cream, he'll want a brownie to go with it. So now, friends, what is the last thing you see in your mind at the end of this book? Okay. So friends, the mental images that I saw were a drum, a ticket, and you know what? My last two were both the brownie with the ice cream on the top. What were yours like? You can share on Seesaw. Okay, friends? I will also share another video where I read if you give a mouse a brownie, if you want to see the pictures. Bye, friends. Thank you for following along and joining me in using your visualization skills.